SNS College of Technology, Department of Biomedical Engineering. Tissue Engineering of Skin, P. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor, BME. The skin. Layers of the skin. The epidermis is the outermost skin layer and consists of keratinocytes, rapidly dividing stem cells, that help generate epidermal cells. The second layer, the dermis, consists of collagen fibers in a gel-like state and also fibroblasts. Function of the skin. A main function of the external skin layer is to provide a tough barrier covering the entire body. It provides defense from radiation, disease, gases, chemicals, and many other destructive forces. However, if the skin is damaged, it can lead to difficult complications. Skin grafting. In the past, a burn victim's only option for repair was a method known as a skin graft. This requires doctors to surgically cut a piece of unburned skin from your body and place it on the burned area. This can cause bleeding, infection, nerve damage, and in some cases, a repeat graft is required. Engineering skin tissue. Although the epidermis is capable of healing itself, there are situations in which it is necessary to replace large areas of epidermis or in which normal regeneration is deficient. The dermis has very little capacity to regenerate. The scar tissue that forms in the absence of dermis lacks the elasticity, flexibility, and strength of normal dermis. Engineered tissues that not only close wounds but also stimulate the regeneration. The dermis would provide a significant benefit in human wound healing. Current skin engineering. Tissue-engineered skin exists as cells grown in vitro and subsequently seeded onto a scaffold, which is then placed in vivo at the site of injury. 3 categories of skin substitutes: epidermal substitutes, dermal substitutes, dermoepidermal substitutes. Process of skin engineering. A skin biopsy. The skin is then peeled and separated into the epidermis and dermis. Keratinocytes and fibroblasts are then isolated from one another, transferred into a culture on top of a scaffold. The final skin is finished after about 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you for listening.